There are multiple ways to lock an iPhone, but having a ready-made lock screen voice shortcut at your disposal is an altogether different proposition. Instead of pressing the power button or getting into the assistive touch menu every time the need arrives, wouldn't it be better if you could lock your iPhone by just saying lock? Yeah, you got that right. Thanks to the introduction of vocal shortcuts in iOS 18, you can instantly lock your iPhone or iPad through a custom phrase. So, if you're willing to find out how this cool feature works, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose accessibility. Under the speech section, select vocal shortcuts. If you're using vocal shortcuts for the first time, tap on set a vocal shortcuts and then hit continue. Otherwise, tap on the add action button and then hit continue. Then you have to go to the system section and choose lock screen. After that, you have to enter the custom phrase through which you want to lock your iPhone, for instance lock. And then you have to verify your custom phrase by saying it 3 times. And once you have successfully verified your custom phrase, your action will be ready. Going forward, you'll be able to lock your iPhone or iPad by just saying lock, just like this. Super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.